रखने बोलते हैं ना, इसलिए
फोकस ठीक है ना?
हाँ, वो एक ही फ्रेम में रखने बोलते हैं ना, इसलिए।
हाँ।
अभी इतने से बाद में हम बेसिक आए तो बढ़ा देंगे।
सुनो, बात है इसके बाद थोड़ा पीछे देखे, ये जो पिलर्स है ना,
हाँ,
इसको पिलर्स को भी कंपोज करना।
क्लियर है।
कम बढ़ाया तुमने। हाँ ये रख, और कम करना, ये रख।
हाथों में गहरी लाली, कह सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं। तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं। मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कह सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली है। तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली है। ओ हरियाली बन्नो, ले जाने तुझको भुइयां, आने वाले हैं सैया, थामेंगे आंखें भैया, गूंजेगी शहनाई अंगनाई अंगनाई। मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कह सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली है। तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना।
Hey guys, Karthik is here, but he has to do something for Tamanna to see her. How about a poem?
Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm here. Where are you?
Okay, can we have some Bhangra music?
मैं शायर तो नहीं,
मगर हंसी,
मगर ये हंसी।
Okay.
होते जो मेरे सीने में दो, दूसरा दिल भी मैं तुम्हें देता तोड़ने को।
के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं। यही वो वेदन मेरे, यही वो
Okay, we're ready to start our skit. This little skit plus video has been prepared specially by all your cousins to jog back the memories of the past. So there's a lot of drama, there's adventure. So just sit back and enjoy. Now, playing the role of Tamanna is one of her best friends, Chanelli, who's been around her life, so she knows what happened. And playing Karthik is his good old friend, Piku, and I'm sure he knows also a lot about Karthik. So, can we have you all on stage, please? Here's Tamanna, and this is Karthik. He's not a project manager, but he manages stuff. And she's a merchandiser in Dubai, right? Okay. So this is the Tamanna residence with 4 kids in the year 2030. Tamanna, you're going to be having such kids, you know. Tamanna and Karthik, when did you all meet? I'm going to give her the year and you can say yes or no, okay? 1998? No? Really? Oh my God, did we make the wrong movie? Okay, not 1998? No. Where were you, Tamanna, in that year?
In Casablanca.
Really small?
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you all actually meet?
At Pankaj's wedding.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Did you go to St. Martin in 2005?
Yes.
Are you sure you didn't bump into an accidental stranger?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Did you see her in 2005? I know you'll say that you were not even in St. Martin. Yeah?
No.
You were in St. Martin?
I was there.
You were there?
Yeah.
So did you bump into her? Yeah, I know. He's not sure.
Vijay says I did.
Was that?
Vijay says I did.
Well, Tamanna, you don't remember the dates, important dates of your life. How could you forget? So seriously, what happened at Pankaj's marriage?
Nothing. He got married.
He got a what?
He got married.
He got married, but what happened between you two at the marriage?
She told me I smelled and threw water on me.
She threw water on you? Oh my God. Like really?
By mistake.
No, I don't think so. So you threw water on him. Was it holy time or what?
For me, maybe.
But you threw specifically at him because he called you something or?
A snob.
What? You called him a snob? Karthik? So, after you called her a snob, then how did the love story progress?
I don't know. Ask Karthik.
Chocolate.
Yeah? Are you ready?
It's the year 2030. Tamanna and Karthik with their 4 kids.
Kids, today I'm going to tell you an incredible story. The story of how I met your father.
Is it going to take long?
Are you punishing us? It was the year 2003. I was heading for your Aunt Ekta's wedding.
Is that where you met Dad? How old were you?
Mom, but isn't Mamu Pavan your brother?
Oh my God! Are you telling me that Mamu Pavan was adopted?
Of course he's not adopted. Not your Mamu Pavan, the other one, Nini's dad.
How is this relevant, Mom?
Stop being such a drama queen, Mom.
Did your kids just call you a drama queen? Is Tamanna a drama queen? Anybody who knows her as a drama queen? No!
You know she like the drama, yeah she is sexy mama. And when she dance, everybody go. You know she like the drama, yeah she is sexy mama. And when she dance, everybody go.
What was Tamanna like in those days, you know, before she met Karthik? Was she a bookworm or a Sadori Tamuri as her dad calls her? Let's find out.
Chic, cool and artistic Tamanna.
ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में अनदेखा अनजाना कोई आने लगा ख्यालों में आंखों की खिड़की पर एक साया सा लहराता है दिल के दरवाजे पर कोई दस्तक देकर जाता है गहरी गहरी काली आंखें मुझसे मुझको पूछती हैं हाथों की रेखाओं में एक चेहरा सा बन जाता है उसकी सांसें रेशम जैसी गालों को छू जाती हैं उसके हाथों की खुशबू है अब तक मेरे बालों में हाँ ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में अनदेखा अनजाना कोई आने लगा ख्यालों में
मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे छेड़ जाए मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे छेड़ जाए उससे कहो कभी सामने तो आए मेरे ख्वाबों
So we just had an introduction to Tamanna. My God, you're so Bollywood, you know? Just dancing all the time and singing. What about Karthik? Was he like a Bollywood kind of guy or what was he like?
He's my little baby. He's such Sadora.
Karthik and Sadoro.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very. 100%.
Yeah, but you know, he didn't study in St. Martin under your eyes.
He did.
Are you sure?
Of course.
I thought he went to college elsewhere.
Yeah, but till school he was in St. Martin.
So you're sure he's Sadoro, huh?
Very, very, very Sadoro.
Okay. We shall see. Thank you.
Flirt, party freak, flirt.
Hot, not hot. Hot.
Excuse me?
I said that I think you're hot, and now I'm embarrassed.
Oh, I thought you said hi.
That would have been better. I'll try that.
Hi, I'm Karthik.
I'm Haley.
Look, I don't normally ask out women that I meet in coffee houses, but, wow, this is hard. I'm kind of shy. Anyway,
I would love to go out with you.
Really? Great. Did I actually ask you?
Oh, that's just where you were going. I figured I'd help you out. You don't seem like the kind of guy who does this a lot.
Yeah.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's get up. I know we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out, spaced out, losing our control. Fill up my cup, Mazel tov. Look at her dancing, just take it off. Let's paint the town, we'll shut it down. Let's burn the roof, and then we'll do it again. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, and do it, and do it. Let's live it up, and do it, and do it, and do it, do it, do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. 'Cause I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Ella ta turi ne luthiana vi ni tappe assi. Ella ta turi ne luthiana vi ni tappe. Puche bina karobar पैर भी नहीं रखे कदों दी मैडम जी शहर विच आई बस पार्टी दियां गल्लां करदी रहिंदी है कुड़ी सैटरडे सैटरडे करदी रहिंदी है कुड़ी सैटरडे सैटरडे करदी रहिंदी है सैटरडे सैटरडे कुड़ी सैटरडे सैटरडे कुड़ी सैटरडे सैटरडे Saturday, Saturday.
Who knows, like, you know, let's not ask the couple, let's ask someone else. Who knows where they met first?
Tamanna continues telling her kids the story of how she met Karthik.
Kids, it was the year 2005. Pavan Mama and me were visiting your Aunt Kiran and Uncle Vijay in St. Martin.
Front Street, St. Martin, 2005.
ना सही कदमों में सही जगह तो दी उसने, दिल में ना सही कदमों में सही जगह तो दी उसने। ऐ अल्लाह तेरा लाख शुक्र है, कहीं से तो शुरुआत की उसने।
मोहब्बत का मतलब इकरार नहीं होता, सिर्फ किसी को देखना प्यार नहीं होता। यूं तो मिलते हैं रोज मोहब्बत के पैगाम, मोहब्बत है जिंदगी, बार बार नहीं होता।
वाह।
इकलौता मेरा दिल था, भोला भाला सिंपल था, तुझसे भी टकराया सर फिरा हो गया। मुझे प्यार लगा जो तुझे लगा भाईचारा, अरमान तो जागे मैं मगर सो गया। बनके मुसीबत पीछे पड़ी है, ये कॉमेडी है या ट्रेजेडी है, ना होना था क्यों हो गया, लो चाहे उल्फत हो गया। नजदीक है लेकिन एक बाल बराबर बीच में लाइन है, छुपता ही रहता है गड़ता ही रहता है, तुझे फर्क नहीं है तू बड़ी फाइन है। बनके मुसीबत पीछे पड़ी है, ये कॉमेडी है या ट्रेजेडी है, ना होना था क्यों हो गया, लो चाहे उल्फत हो गया।
Tamanna and Karthik en route to Pankaj and Nishka's cruise wedding.
ऐसा लगता है मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है। रॉबी की पार्टी पे नहीं?
मैं पार्टीज नहीं जाती।
बहुत अच्छा करती, मैं भी कभी नहीं जाता। I don't like them at all. ये जो आपकी आंखें हैं,
क्या हुआ मेरी आंखों को?
मुझे किसी की याद दिलाती है।
अच्छा, किसकी?
मेरी दादी। उनकी भी आंखें बिल्कुल आप ही की तरह, थोड़ी सी पीली, थोड़ी सी नीली।
देखिए, प्लीज लीव मी अलोन।
Okay, I don't mind. I mean, it's all right with me. पढ़ते रहिए, मैं तो सिर्फ ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि उल्टी किताब आप पढ़ते कैसे हैं। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टाइल। आप पढ़ते रहिए प्लीज।
अब बहुत हो चुका है, ओके?
अरे रिलैक्स। Allow me. Bye.
Bye.
Ow. I hate girls.
यार तमन्ना, इस हीरो का तो तूने फ्यूज ही उड़ा दिया। This Romeo was not going to give up easily, okay? So, now watch as the romance unfolds.
Hello, Karthik.
I changed my mind. They said you might be up here.
Give me your hand. Now close your eyes. Go on. Step up.
Hold on to the railing. Keep your eyes closed. Don't peek.
I'm not.
Step up onto the rail. Hold on. Hold on. Keep your eyes closed. Trust me.
I trust you.
Open your eyes.
Kartik Munna? Kartik Munna? Get up, Raja. Stop dreaming. It's getting late. We have to go for the wedding. Come on, get up.
Ha ha ha, Kartik. Nice dream. I don't give him the fault. Tamanna is so beautiful, isn't she? You want to know what really happened?
खड़ी है लड़की है या छड़ी है शोला है फुलझड़ी है पटाखे की लड़ी है आंखों में गुस्सा है लबों पे गाली है देखो जरा देखो यार खुद को समझती है क्या खंबे जैसी खड़ी है लड़की है या छड़ी है शोला है फुलझड़ी है आंखों में गुस्सा है लबों पे गाली है देखो यार खुद को समझती है क्या कोरा कोरा ये बदन बिजली से बना 440 वोल्ट है छूना है मना आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच भी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच फूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी जो तूने ये बात न मानी
और सी साइड पे पानी का शो आजा मेरी बाहों में girl what you waiting for तुझको मैं लेके चलूं फिर प्यारी सी यॉट पे हो जाएंगे हम टल्ली मैलिबू के शॉट पे तू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच फूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
So, what's the story of this? So this is what happened, you know. So do you think their friendship flourished and grew? You know, today they are sitting here. So what happened, right? So let's find out some more about this.
Kartik and Tamanna heading their own ways after Pankaj and Nishka's wedding.
So, मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी? Okay.
पहले भी इतनी खूबसूरत थी या वक्त ने किया कोई हंसी सितम?
इश, क्या फिल्मी लाइन मारी है।
सुभान अल्लाह, जो हो रहा है।
ये अब सब तुम्हें फिल्मी लग रहा है बेबी डॉल। एक जमाने में इन्हीं लाइनों पे मरा करती थी तुम।
मैं तुम पे मरती थी। प्लीज।
So this is Karthik's desktop. It's not clear, but I can see Tamanna here, you know. Like he's got a step-by-step, you know, how to patafy her, what gift to give her, all planned out, you know. This was Karthik, you know, going after Tamanna, making a plan and trying to put it into action. Now, Tamanna's mom, did you know? She didn't know. Oh my God. Let's ask Pawan about it.
Okay. At that point of time, majority of people didn't have a clue. A few people were suspicious. I was one of the few. So I used to ask too many questions. I went up to a lot of people in my family. A few people asked, "Is something happening? Is something happening?" They outright denied it. When I got some time with Tamanna, I asked her, "Tamanna, during your wedding, am I going to be the guy side or the girl side?" And at that point of time, she took 6, 7, 8 seconds to answer. And then I know I hit the nail on the head. She didn't have to answer after that. I knew what's happening. Cheers.
And, okay.
One pair of shoes. She always used to wear. At some point at uni, she would only wear this one pink pair of shoes. So they were like really nice, but still. So we asked her, like, Tamanna, what's up? Like, why do you keep wearing those shoes? And she was like, oh, you know, she brushed it off. She was like, no, they're just really comfortable. And we're like, are you sure? She's like, yeah, they're just quite comfortable. And it turns out they were actually from her friend, Karthik. Well, we just think she was really in denial about it.
Speaking of being in denial, we heard of Karthik and we knew they were, you know, chatting and Skyping, but Tamanna never said anything about it. And, you know, we would tease her here and there, and our doubts it materialized. We walked into her room, and what do we see? We see a huge box with helium balloons saying happy birthday, a big bouquet of flowers, and a huge chocolate box. And we asked her, where did you get this from? We didn't send it. And she said, oh, you know, my friend Karthik. I don't know about you, but I don't get gifts from boys that live abroad.
So we're not really sure when exactly it happened and they actually accepted their feelings for each other. But we can tell you this and maybe give you a glimpse into their future lives. For Tamanna's bachelorette party in the UK, Karthik had to humor her friends. He had to answer a few questions about themselves as a couple. And when asked with which celebrity couple does he think they seem like the most, he said Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. And I don't know if you follow up on celebrity gossip, but Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie currently have 6 children. So you know what to expect in the future. 10, he says 10.
Kids, we tried really hard to keep it hush-hush. But there are too many nosy people on your father's side.
Hey, Caro, what's up with your watch, man? It's still cracked.
Just not had the time, boss.
That's what you told me last time.
I'll have it changed, dude.
I think something's fishy. I guess a girl has given it to you. But hey, do I know the girl? I think I know the girl.
पंजाब दा पुत्तर है पिंड जलंधर यार वई वई कुड़ियां नू दिल करदा किंग टाइप दा है टंग लाइफ दा यार वई वई खेतां विच चिल करदा लू इट माई वे नहीं ते हाईवे इनको फर्क यारों की ही पैदा इसकी उसकी कौन किसकी यारा दा ईमान इसकी उस पे चिकन हो तो होल वधिया pretty face जिथे जट्टा always
praying to God to make Tamanna his.
बख्शा गुनाहों को सुन के दुआओं को रब्बा प्यार है तूने सबको ही दे दिया मेरी भी आहों को सुन ले दुआओं को मुझको वो दिला मैंने जिसको है दिल दिया आसमां मुझको दे इतना बता वो जो मुझे देखते हंसे पाना चाहूँ रात दिन जिसे रब्बा मेरे नाम करूँ से तेनू दिल दा वास्ता अज दिन चढ़िया तेरे रंग वर्गा
सब बदल गया था मुझे प्यार हो गया था और ये दुनिया की बेस्ट फीलिंग थी
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो
Tamanna says yes, and they celebrate by going clubbing.
सारी नाइट बेशर्मी की हाय वो सारी नाइट बेशर्मी की हाय एक तू एक मैं और हो डिम ये लाइट
हो सारी नाइट बेशर्मी की हाय हो सारी नाइट बेशर्मी की हाय
Yes, we take it.
एक मैं और हो डिम डिम ये लाइट
I hear that you were in the room when, you know, Karthik walks in Portugal, you know, with his shirt out. He comes and sits down in the bed and Tamanna is going like, what was she saying?
Well, actually, sorry guys, this is the real version, so I'll have to tell everyone. Karthik comes into the room and he was just going to come and hang out with us. So he comes in. I was rooming with Tamanna. This is during Pavan and Rinku's wedding. He comes in, sits on the bed, relaxes, and Tamanna is all stressed out. Oh, my mom is asking me to do my hair so nice and wear something so nice. Tamanna, it's okay, relax. No, Mama's like, Auntie Anu is here, so we are going for lunch. I need to look good. I cannot be asked to do all that. So I tell her, I'm like, Tamanna, Auntie Anu came all the way for Pavan's wedding for a reason. Something's going to happen. No, Chanel, what's going to happen? Nothing. This is Pavan's wedding. I don't want to take the attention off of Pavan and Rinku. And non-stop, she keeps going. So I'm just sitting there, and I just joke around with Karthik, and I tell him, oh my God, can you imagine if you actually just proposed now? Karthik actually puts his hand in his pocket, and I was like, oh my God, I'm going to witness it. But he removes this Galaxy chocolate bar. So no, it didn't happen then. Right after that, one of our common friends who was supposed to stay in the room after I left walks into the room. And of course, you know how it is. No one could know Karthik was in the room where Tamanna was because no one knew. So Karthik is hiding in a corner. Her friend walks in, trying to drop the bag. And Tamanna's distracting her so she doesn't enter the room. I'm just standing there, stressing because Karthik is hiding and that woman cannot enter the room and see Karthik. And Karthik chooses this precise moment to wave at me, grab my attention, and he's like, hey. I'm like, what do you want now? And he's like, puts his hand in his pocket, and this time he removes the ring, and he's like, should I do it now? I'm like, no, not now. This is definitely not the place to do it. The friend leaves then, and then Karthik just leaves the room. So I'm like, Tamanna, I'll be right back. Run behind Karthik. I'm like, Karthik, are you going to propose? He's like, yeah, I am. Well, what's the plan? Did you ask her parents? Oh, no. Maybe you should start with that. What do you think? And then the rest is history. He asked her parents and went on the beach, proposed. They had a really lovely meal. And I guess she said yes, because they're here.
And that was a great reenactment of the real scene. Thank you. She was so scared to do that, you know.
Christmas 2013 in the Nainani household.
I don't want to love for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make that wish come true.
Can we give her a second round of applause for Ritu? Thank you.
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Yeah, love me toda. sorry मैं मेरे है मुझसे आई कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है जिसके आने से मुकम्मल हो गई थी जिंदगी शामे मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी दस्तकें खुशियों ने दी थी मिट गई थी हर कमी गुजारे थे जो लम्हे प्यार के हमेशा तुझे अपना मान के तो फिर तूने बदली क्यों अदा ये क्यों किया रे कबीरा छोड़ना मैं तेरा रास्ता छोड़ूंगा रे कबीरा छोड़ना मैं तेरा रास्ता छोड़ूंगा आजा मुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयां रे कबीरा छोड़ना मैं तेरा रास्ता छोड़ूंगा क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो तुम ही तो हो see the sun rising in your eyes every time I think of you, you make me smile. I'll be your every dream and you should know I never ever wanna let you go. तुझे खुद में छुपा लूं साहिबा जिस तरह कि कोई हम नदी तेरी मुझ पे नजर हो साहिबा बस तेरा साथ हो चाहे जो
Kartik, please come. I need to ask you a few questions, you know. Come. So what did you think about the show? Amazing. Yeah? But how come the audience is very sleepy today, yaar? Can you please request them for an applause?
Come on, guys, clap for them. Clap for everyone. They did an amazing job. Louder. Louder.
Okay, now tell me, why did you come on stage?
I don't know. I'm going back.
No. There must be a reason why you're here, right?
Pavan brought me on here.
Oh, okay. Pavan, you brought him here? Yeah, but there must be some other reason. Huh? Like, first tell me, why were you late today? Were you practicing something in the room?
What?
What? Okay. So the next item. Yo, Kartik!
Can you believe it? Kartik is the item.
बालिका तुम्हारे सपनों का राजकुमार
आ रहा है
माला बारात डोले सजा के दूल्हा छा रहा है शुभ मंगल
ये सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे ये सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे
That's Kartik. Everyone put your hands together. Come on, let me see you clap. Yes, that's for the beautiful couple. Do that. Come on, everyone. I'd like to see everyone clap.
Okay, we have a finale for all the performers. Please come up on stage. all of y'all, including Tamanna and Karthik. You were performing with us, so please come on stage. Everybody, please come on stage.
Let's go, people!
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वारगी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोई न साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा
जयपुर ठुमकदा
ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा
जयपुर ठुमकदा
तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा
जयपुर ठुमकदा
ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा
जयपुर ठुमकदा Yeah, I'd like to request everyone to step onto the dance floor. Come on! Let's do the Thumakda. I'd like to request people who are seated to step on the floor.
Loudspeaker te Madonna vajdi o like a barzin फैल करते कबूतर वारगी ओ मेमा फिरदी गुलाबी शेर दा रंग है फिरंगी रखी तू साम के सानू ते लगदा 100 साल तो चंगी जगह कोई नहीं है बदिया तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे भैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे भैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा लाउडस्पीकर ते माडोना वजदी ओ लाइके वारजिन फैल करते कबूतर वारगी ओ मेमा फिरदी गुलाबी शेर दा रंग है फिरंगी रखी तू साम के सानू ते